Retail moves fast. Seasonal peaks and shifting trends mean your teams need instant access to funds without bottlenecks slowing them down. That's where Soldo comes in. It gives you the tools to control spend across stores, teams, and campaigns to keep business moving. Replace cash and store cards with dedicated company cards for each store, so staff can quickly pay for supplies, maintenance, and day-to-day needs. Empower teams to fund promotions and product shoots when they need to, without waiting for approvals. Assign budgets by store, team, or function, and track every transaction as it happens. Take coffee shop chain Coffee One. It used Soldo cards to replace petty cash in over 100 stores, allowing staff to safely pay for urgent purchases while finance stayed in charge. Stay on top of spend while keeping pace with trends in every season and every store. Soldo. Liberate finance, accomplish more.